Hello, my name is Johan Swallows and today we're going to talk here about the Improved Yeast project for Fermentis and more specifically about, of course, what we see here behind me, the new packaging.
So the new project we are showing today is all about packaging of beer yeast.
At the beginning of the project, we received an extensive list of requirements from Fermentis. This list of requirements reflects the needs and the concerns of Fermentis clients all over the world.
The amount of yeast they wanted to produce, the amount of yeast they wanted to store, which machines to use, which layout to use.
Of course, you see that there are a lot of aspects coming together here in this packaging room, so we have divided everything in task forces.
Different people from Le Safre, Fermentis, Algist and some technical people, so it was not always easy to have everybody looking in the same direction.
This whole building has been constructed because the demand was higher and higher, and that's why we decided to make a new building, state of the art, so that we could tackle not only the capacity issues but also the quality issues, the logistical issues.
By developing this project, we've been able to address these requirements, these needs. There is quite a lot of innovation associated with this project.
We did the design of the building, design of the machinery, the engineering. Therefore, we constructed a pneumatic transport.
So we use a vacuum pump to transport the yeast, and then the yeast arrived in a silo before being packed by the packaging machines. Everything is automatic, so we can transport the yeast easily and with less risk of contaminations and with a higher quality.
So the AutoStore is really the intermediate storage. It can hold 200 to 300 tons of product, while the quality department can do the checks which are necessary to set the product free for the market. And it can still be expanded if it would be required in a later stage. The labels are not applied yet, they are only applied in the second stage.
Of course, as you know, Fermentis has a wide distribution network all over the planet. We had to develop specific labels for many different markets.
We had to discuss with suppliers and specialists in different domains so that they can do some co-development of their existing machinery so that they can give you an offer that meets your requirements.
They had an idea of making really the packages unique as a QR code unique per package. And we had some experience already with generating QR codes and unique numbers and collecting all the data. So we shared that information with Fermentis to make it happen.
En ook de QR-code is ook heel interessant naar de klant toe, omdat waar ze ook ter wereld de QR-code kunnen scannen.
Additionally, on top of it, we also have the normal barcode. And then we add 3 labels to the packages. The primary label, that we also call the booklet label, which contains all the general information about that product. We also have the secondary label, which contains market-specific information. And then on top we have a third label, which we call the pastille, which is in fact a continuation of all the concerns we had in terms of quality, in terms of cleanliness. This third label will allow also for dosing of yeast directly in the process of the clients at the factory without the risk of cross-contamination.
We also have a leak pack detection and a scanner, so we can make sure that the client gets the yeast that he wants with the labeling that he wants.
We also have more flexibility, so we can do different packaging sizes ranging from 100 grams until 10 kilograms and different formats in between.
So this is only the final step where we do the packaging of the yeast under better conditions to preserve the quality and to give a better logistical service towards our customer Fermentis and their customers.
There's quite a lot of innovations that we had to apply. Such system doesn't really exist anywhere in the world, so we had to develop it from scratch with the help of our partners, and that's been extremely rewarding for all of us. It's been really fun.